Uruguay. A non-standard bridge was opened on the territory of one of the lagoons in Uruguay. As a rule, bridges are built directly, but this bridge was made in a circle. Instead of spending $5 million to build the bridge, the client decided to spend twice as much so that people would not drive their fast cars through these picturesque places, but enjoy the view, clean air, and safety, which everyone already neglects. The idea was realized by the architect Rafael Viñoly. In this ingenious way, the original circular shape of the crossing forces drivers to slow down while crossing the river. Previously, a ferry was located here. However, it could only carry 2 cars per trip, while the new bridge carries at least 1,000 cars per day. The Laguna Garzon bridge consists of 2 curved bridges forming a circle. The radius of the structure is 51.5 meters.